Hey coaches, your webinar landing page is just not a page, it's the first step to fill your coaching program with lead, prospect, customers. So, hi everyone, Kranti this side. In this video, I will talk about what exactly you have to do to make your landing page converts like crazy, and what are the mistakes that you can avoid if you are a coach who is running online webinar, workshop, challenges, masterclass, 3-day challenge, and what's the key point that you know that is available on your landing page to make sure it convert like crazy, so that your cost per acquisition gets lower, more people enroll in it and more people show on it, and you showcase yourself as an authority despite that people are cold audience, right? Because we will send this data, we will send the traffic from a social media platform. In this case it will be meta ads. Okay, so first of all, I have this I will talk about the free webinars also, the paid webinars also, and the challenges type of pages, the 3-day challenge, 5-day challenge, and what exactly you need. The structure actually, the structure you need to have basically. What are the different section that you require? What are the in that section? What we are exactly going to talk about, and how we can form those sections so that your landing page makes them feel like make the prospect feel like that they are going to get the maybe they are going to learn something valuable or transformational. So that's why they should attend this webinar and register for it. Doesn't matter it is free or paid. And along with it, if we have a landing page which is converting at a lot more rate, right, then if we then combine it with a landing page with meta ads, basically from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all of these platforms, the traffic that converts that comes on the landing page and visit the landing page will be converting at a very higher rate. So let's start this thing. So first of all, you need to understand that. So when you're making a landing page, okay, the first thing that you should do is to call out your audience through a pre-headline. Okay, so first I'm talking about the first section, which is the hero section that we call in UI/UX design term, and then I will tell you about the inner component of it. See, I guess I have already told you about what is a landing page, how it is different from a website in earlier of my videos. So let me just give you a recap. A landing page just driven towards a particular call to action without any distraction and everything. So whenever you click on ads, basically of any coach or online business owner, you will see that they are redirecting to you a particular product page, the sales page of a product. Okay, and they are not be confusing by sending you to a website in which you may got confused how what is it about, how you can explore other things also. So landing page is about only one thing, that is focusing upon the only selling one service, that in our case it is webinar registration for a webinar, or a paid registration for a master class, and everything, right? So the first thing that you should be in your pre-headline should mentioning is the audience. Who's your exactly audience? For example, if I help coaches and consultant, so I will say thing like coaches, consultant, and course creators. Okay, so now if the prospect like fills into this criteria of if she is a coach, mentor, or a course creator, then this page is relevant to them, and this will filter out the bad audiences who are not related to you, right? Now this was a pre-headline. Now comes the problem statement, so that we can grab their attention. For example, in my case, I help coaches and consultants, so I will say, are you struggling to get sales for your online coaching business? Are you struggling to get leads for your coaching program, right? On this end, so this will be my pre-headline too. Okay, so you have seen those kind of websites in which a bar is already always be sticky. So that bar is saying the coaches, consultant, course creator, and then again the pre-headline says struggling to get sales for your online coaching business. And then I will say about the main headline. So in main headline, I will try to resonate each and everything in form of a pre-headline, in form of a promise without the concerns. So for example, or maybe through my unique mechanism. For example, I have this landing page which says like, discover how I close 10 to 15 high ticket clients every month predictably and and rake in big profits using my hybrid high ticket method. So this headline is purely good, because in this headline we are specifying the numbers, that how I am able to close this many of high ticket clients every month by using my unique mechanism, which is hybrid high ticket system. And then in the sub headline I will say things like what is the without concern kind of things that you can achieve this. Okay, so in the sub headline we will promise them a future without without concerns, basically. For example, without doing complex funnels, without selling low tickets, without doing weekly webinars and daily sales call. So how you can achieve 10 to 15 pay high ticket clients every month using my hybrid system, that too without doing all these things that you were maybe already be doing, maybe like cold email, out LinkedIn outreach and everything. So you, what is exactly in my system is, and how can I achieve this specific numbers, right? And then comes, then after this, after your pre-headline, headline, and sub-headline, now you have to showcase the about your whole webinar in a short video of 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. So you will create a video, and that video will emphasis upon the what is already written in the landing page in a summarized form. Okay, so that video will be just talking about, if someone is not do not have much time to read, then they can just watch the video and understand it, what is it about and everything. And then, so this will be like our hero section is now divided into two columns. So one column will be hosting the video part, the second column will be hosting the details about the webinar. So earlier what I used to feel that nowadays, like tools for funnel tools like FlexiFunnel, WordPress, ClickFunnels, Swipe Pages, and all these tools are like become very great. So you can have different sections of webinar details. For example, when the webinar is, on which date, what is the time is going to be, what is the place is going to be, is it on Zoom, is it on Google Meet, is it on any other webinar platform, and what language this webinar is or masterclass is going to be held. So all of these things you should be mentioning, along with a quick information that they all will also be getting bonuses worth of 10,000 rupees. And then you can attach a timer in it. And then comes your big CTA. The CTA should be action driven CTA. So what is action driven CTA? So action driven CTA are like, reserve my spot now. Okay, yes, I want to attend 3-day masterclass. Yes, I want to register for masterclass. Okay, join the free webinar now. So these are some of the actions, CTAs, that you can include inside your landing page. This is thing. Now I've talked about webinar details. Okay, after this, what you can showcase, if you are a coach who has been featured in some kind of brands, PR and everything, then you can, and then you can add a strip of logos that you have been featured in this, you have worked with these many things. And you can also add some of your best stat. If you have closed like 2 crores in your business, then you can mention is like that 1.5 crore, the 3 crores of business in my business. I have a community of 100 plus clients. I have done this, these many people have attended my this challenge kind of thing. Then you should make them feel that this is all about the hero section of the landing page. Okay, and then comes your why. Then comes a section in which you are telling about that why they should join this masterclass, why they should join this webinar or a 3-day challenge, 5-day challenge. Okay, so you will mention all the pointers in a 6 bullet pointers, basically, that why they should join. And then again comes the CTA. Okay, and then you should now why they should join. Now you will try to agitate the pain. How do you agitate the pain? That you can have this another section in which you are saying, are you constantly feel that struggling, you are struggling to scale your coaching business, okay, while other people are doing easily. Then you will mention all the pain points which they must be saying in their head while operating this business, while starting their business, while taking the webinar, or whatever their pain points is. Okay, that, and then again comes the CTA, right? Again comes the CTA. Then you can introduce, if your webinar has a name, then you can introduce your webinar also. For example, I can say that weight loss using yoga okay, weight management using yoga, and then I will introduce that what is going to be, what people like, what I'm going to show you in this, what people I'm going to make people learn in this, and then this will happen, right? And then we will also make people understand that why they should, uh, why this webinar is different apart from the other strategy which are available in the market, right? So you can like have a snapshot of things which used to old ways, and now the new way which I'm going to make people, I'm going to teach people in the webinar. So I'm not going to actually transform the life, but I'm going to give them a taste of what is exactly the problem they are, must be they are having, and how they can solve it. Okay, if they can, if they are like the level of value should be such that people should feel that their life has been transformed, or they have got many born moments which they do not know about, or which they could not have easily figured out. Okay, so this you can conceptualize in an old way and new way thing, kind of thing. And you have and always try to use your videos, your photos, your visuals in different angry state, happy state, and all of these things, right? And now this social proof comes. Okay, now social proof, what does it social proof means? That if you have previous clients, previous attendees data, testimonials in form of a WhatsApp chats, in form of a Zoom chat, in form of a video testimonials, then always place all these things on the landing page, and then comes your CTA. Okay, and if you have a webinar, then always mention that what they are going to learn in the webinar in bullet pointers. If you have a challenge, then you can have a day one you will learn this, day two they will learn this, day three you will learn this, day four you will learn this, day five you will learn this, and then you can say. And CTA will always be present in front of the scroll whenever a page view is scrolled, because you never know when people get change their mind and they want to now register. And always have this sticky footer, always have this sticky footer for your mobile version of your landing page, because many of the prospect visit only one mobile. 90% of the prospect visit your from their mobile, right? So have that kind of uh, that kind of optimization, responsiveness of your landing page, that it is responsive to desktop, tablet, and mobile. And now visuals I talked about. If you have a form, then have a registration form for people who want to register for the webinar, name, number, and email. And then after filling up the form, they will redirect to a thank you page. On the thank you page, they will see a WhatsApp group link, or whatever your next process is. You can mention it there, that they can join this WhatsApp community for the next update kind of result. Okay, so that's about registration form. A pop-up form, it could be a paid thing. Then you can add your payment page from your Insta, for Insta Mojo or Razorpay, all those kind of payment gateways, right? Always add a scarcity. So scarcity is like that this price is going to be 29 rupees for today midnight. So when you add these elements, people actually feel, the real customer actually feel like this is going to be end, and they will register it. And add bonuses also along with the people going to learn in the webinar. You are also giving them bonuses, because in everyone like free stuff, everyone like gifts, everyone like bonuses. Okay, when they are paying something or register for something, right? So always have these valuable bonuses that you can give to your audiences, for the participant. It doesn't matter they are paid or free. Okay, generally for a free webinar you can skip the option of adding the bonuses, and but for paid webinar you should add bonuses. And then you can have again repeat of a testimonial section, and then again the CTA comes. Okay, and then you can then you can introduce about yourself. Okay, because why we are introducing ourselves at the last, because people actually care more about themselves, their problem, their pain points. So we need to make them understand that they resonate that part of their emotions at the early part of the landing page. And then we will tell them about ourselves, our achievement, whatever background has been. What are the milestone that I have achieved like doing this coaching business. And then again the CTA comes and all of this, and then you will give them again recap. Okay, that well, what is all they are getting in by registering this, or in the paid webinar or a free webinar or a workshop, masterclass, 3D challenge, 5D challenge, and each and thing. Then you will recap that day one you will learn about this. So all of these things, these bonuses will be got. All of the worth that they are being getting from this webinar is this. Okay, regular price is this, but for this sort of time we are giving at this price. Okay, they should feel that they are getting something more valuable, okay, instead of generic thing. So then they will have this paying mindset or buying. They will go into buyer persona, right? And there is a very good thing that a landing page should have nowadays, which I feel has become the good part, that you can have if you do not attend this challenge, and after attending this challenge, so what will happen in your life if you don't attend, what will happen in your life if you do attend. So have all these pointers mentioned also. Okay, without this webinar, with this webinar, without this challenge, uh, like with this challenge, before this challenge, after this challenge. So you can have this comparison of kind of table and some kind of your images or some kind of royalty free images that you can use. And then again comes the CTA. You can also showcase some of the case studies. You can showcase some of the best of the case studies that your client has produced with you, or by maybe taking your help. Okay, then if you are running a paid registration kind of page, then then you can mention 100 money back guarantee kind of thing. Okay, that with methods we are sharing, some possible not to 100% money back guarantee. You can mention it that because people feel a safeguard when they get guarantee kind of thing, when they are paying for something, that if it doesn't work out, they will get the money back. So have this objection remover sections into landing page. Okay, and then comes the CTA. Again the CTA part comes, and then you will again tell about them frequently asked questions. It's about like what is this challenge about, when it's going to happen, who this is for, who can attend this, what they will learn, what will happen this if they want refund. Okay, why this challenge is happening, do they get the recording, okay, can they ask the question in the challenge, is there a support group, is support email, whom they should connect when if they feel like. So people should feel like that they are being cared, they are being listened in the FAQs. So do not have just leave them by two three FAQs. So make them understand that whatever questions that they might have, okay, that they can be worry about. Mention all of these things. So this is more, and then you can again mention the CTA, and I always mention about like what is the regular price in your CTA and the actual price that you are selling in. So this is something that I really want to talk about. I have tried my best to cover each of the points, but in case like I'm a human being, so I can forget few of the points. But in the latter part of the, if I get something which I cannot remember now, but I will try to make it another video, because this part is something really, really, really big, and it will take my 30 to 40 minutes also. But this for as of now, this is that I want to convey to you. Thank you so much.